In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you a unique strategy you can use to make money online, and we're going to be leveraging this particular platform right here called CPAGRIP and also this platform right now called Chatgpt. And guys, if you do want to learn this strategy, stick on, watch the video to the end because this is going to be a 100% free one and also a beginner's friendly strategy. If you are also new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your post notification bell is turned on all. And also guys, you could scroll through my channel and check out some videos that could be helpful to you in making extra income online. So jumping right ahead into today's video, the first thing which you want to do is to create an account on this platform called CPAGRIP. Click on register. You will be brought to this page, and you want to just simply provide these basic details that are actually being asked of you in this particular field, having the red asterisk signs. And if you do actually fill out those sections, you want to just agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out. You could read through the terms of service by clicking on this icon right now, and you can then just simply register or get your account created. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account, and I actually went onto the URL file locker section by coming onto the monetization tools. Select that and also select the URL file locker, and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. And right now in today's video, we're actually going to be leveraging the content locking strategy. So what you want to do is to create a simple URL file locker and actually lock a valuable content in that URL file locker. You want to make sure you lock in something that is actually a lot more valuable to your audience, that they can go on to doing virtually anything to get access to that. And basically, it is quite advisable you do go on to lock in some cool ebooks that are absolutely free. So if you come right here, click on new URL file locker, you can agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and actually go onto the page where you could go on to creating your URL file locker right here. So supposing I want to just simply do something like going onto the template section and select the capture template. As you can see right here, that has actually been selected. I'm going to head back to general and actually edit this section based on my preference. Now to lock in something or a valuable content, I'm actually going to head onto this platform right here. This platform right here called the pdfdrive.com, or you could use the free plrdownloads.com. And you want to make sure you do go on to getting a very cool ebook which you want to just simply lock in that particular section. And you can see right here that for free PLR downloads, you do actually gain access to a lot of niches ranging from the affiliate marketing niche, blogging, business, camping, candle, car, career, and a lot more other kinds of niches right now. So supposing I want to focus on the weight loss niche, I'm just going to go onto the search bar and actually do search for weight loss. And if I do search for weight loss and click on search, I will be able to see a lot of cool ebooks that are actually related to that particular niche. You can see this one right here says the weight loss and you can actually keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see lots of ebooks. Supposing I want to just simply focus on this first ebook right here, if I do click on that, it's going to bring me to a page where I can actually do go on to downloading that ebook right now. So you can see right now I can just simply come right here, click on download, and once I do click on download, this ebook right now will actually be downloaded on my device. So once the ebook has actually been downloaded on my device, you want to just simply head on to platforms like PDF Drive or your Google Drive right here. If you do head on to Google Drive, come right here, click on new, and you want to just simply go on to clicking on upload. So if I do click on upload right now, I'm just going to upload that particular document, which is the weight loss and you. As you can see, I already have it right here on this particular section. I can actually go on to replacing that right now, and as you can see right here, the uploading process is actually so guys, once the ebook has actually been uploaded, all you actually need to do is to head on to these three dots beside the ebook, click on that, click on share once more, and a pop-up will be shown to you of which you are actually going to go on to using that to gain access to the link to that particular ebook. So guys, take a look at this right now. This is actually the pop-up. You want to make sure that this general access is on anyone with the link. Copy the link and actually head back to your URL file locker, where you want to just simply go on to pasting that particular link in the locked URL. You want to just simply give this URL file locker a name. I'm going to give it something like weight loss right here, and I can actually do edit other section based on my preference. Once you're done, click on save, and your URL file locker right now will actually get created right here on this particular platform. All you need to do is to click on get link, copy the link to this URL file locker, and try as much as possible to get traffic to that. And in doing that, guys, that's where ChatGPT actually comes into play. So with ChatGPT right now, you can actually go on to leveraging its content locking capability or its content writing capability. As right now, you could just simply head onto this platform called openai.com, and you want to just simply come right here, click on this ChatGPT icon, and you want to just simply click on try ChatGPT. It's actually going to take you to a page where you just simply have to go on to signing up for an account just by using your email address for absolutely free. So if you do get access to a free account, you will be brought to a page such as this. Now what you want to do right now is to actually use ChatGPT to go on to generating a simple content which you can actually use to promote that URL file locker. So basically, guys, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write an article on how to lose weight fast. And if I do click on enter right now, as you can see, ChatGPT is actually going to begin writing an article right here. So you could see ChatGPT went on to giving me some cool stuff right now in this article. And once ChatGPT is actually done, I can also ask ChatGPT to also include a call to action for, or write a call to action for a weight loss ebook. So right now ChatGPT is done writing that content, and I asked ChatGPT to write a call to action for a weight loss ebook. So you can see right here, ChatGPT actually went on to writing a very cool call to action right here. This is the section where you actually need to insert your link, and we're actually going to be leveraging this platform right here, which is called Vocal Media right now. You could also go into using platforms like Medium right here, or even Quora, to actually achieve this and get traffic to that particular CPA URL file locker. To do so, guys, maybe if I'm using Vocal Media, you want to just simply go on to signing up for absolutely free. If you do click on create story, you will be brought to a page such as this, where you just simply have to go on to giving this some cool title, subtitle, and give it some cool write-ups right here. And for the write-up, I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT right now, and I'm going to go on to copying the entire text which ChatGPT actually went on to generating right here. So I'm just going to copy this entire text right here from the introduction section. I'm going to head back to Vocal Media and actually paste that in right there. As you can see how cool it actually looks. So at the end right now, I'm just going to go on to adding that particular call to action, or I can add that in any section of that particular content. So I'm going to just simply copy the call to action, head back to Vocal Media right now, and also go on to pasting that right in here. So in this section which says download link, that's where you're actually going to insert the link to that particular ebook, and you want to just simply go on to copying the link to this ebook right now. But since the link is actually looking quite okay, you can just simply head back to Vocal Media, and in this section right here, you want to just simply go on to type in something like download, or click here to download. So once you type in something like this, you want to highlight the text, click on this link icon, and paste in that URL file locker link. Click on this submit, and that has actually been inserted. So you want to just simply go to the top section and do quite a similar thing right now. I'm just going to do the same thing. So once you do insert this right here, I'm just going to go on to inserting that link also, and I'm just going to go on to pasting that right now. So once that has actually been done, you want to then just simply go on to giving this particular article a title, and ChatGPT also helped us getting a title for the article. You can see the article right here which says the science behind fast weight loss, strategies for success. So I'm just going to copy this right now, head back to Vocal Media, and paste in that. So this section which says strategies for success, I'm going to just simply use that as a subtitle. So if I do copy this cut this section out right now, I'm going to insert that in the subtitle section. So you can see how this actually looks right now. Next, you want to then just simply go into inserting an image or a video right here. As you can see, before you can submit this, you actually have to add a title, a subtitle, plus a featured image, video, or content right now. So I'm going to head onto this Unsplash image right now, and I'm just going to come right here and search for weight loss. And if I do search for weight loss right now, it's actually going to go on to coming up with some cool images once this successfully loads up. Oh guys, you can actually go on to Google, get a cool image and actually use that, or you could upload an image for yourself right now by clicking on select file, upload the image, click on save changes, and you'll be able to go on to submitting that right now. So once you actually do go on to submitting that, you can actually do go on to getting that published on this platform called Vocal Media. And the cool thing about this is that if you do get your article published on this platform, you actually do get paid per the amount of views which you do get to that article. And since you're actually also promoting a CPA marketing offer with that, you can also go on to earning some cool cash with CPA marketing once people go on to completing your offers. Because if they do click on that particular link, regardless of the location which they're actually coming from, they are going to be shown offers to that particular location, and if they do complete that, you do make some cool affiliate commission. So you can actually do that on other platforms like Medium right here, even Quora, or other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and the rest right now. Use this particular strategy, get a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers, and go on to making money online. So if this video was helpful, why not smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. If you have any comments, leave that in the comment section down below. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.